Hi guys, welcome back to another video at Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I am super excited to finally get my hands on the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. So these are brand new. They've gone a step further, okay? So I think they're taking the noise cancelling 7000 headphones out of their range and they're introducing their Quiet Comfort, which is their basically their bread and butter. This is what made them famous. A lot of people know Bose because of their Quiet Comfort headphones. So you've got the normal Quiet Comfort that supersede the Quiet Comfort 45. These are the Quiet Comfort ones. So they've introduced the Ultra. So this is a bit more luxurious and things like that. They've also got that in earbuds as well. All right, today is just an unboxing for you guys. So we'll go through the unboxing, see what to expect, what sort of unboxing experience does it have, what's in there, what should we expect. That's basically it, nothing too serious. Comment below what you guys want me to do in my unboxing videos. Also, what do you guys want me to verse this against? I do a lot of verses, so I can verse this against the Pros, Studio Pros by Beat, or the Comfort, or anything. So just let me know. All right, let's get this unboxing started. So that's the box. I love how this is color matched to that. So a bit of yellow there. And I love how simplistic the box is, up the front, top and sides. Okay, down the bottom there's a bit of information there and all this stuff, and there's not too much information here. There's a bit much for my liking, but not too much. Okay, I don't mind this, but I would have liked to see it a bit toned down even further. And I love how they're taking a leaflet out of Apple's book by just completely getting rid of plastic and just doing this. This came in damaged like this, by the way. The box was a bit damaged. That's sad to see, but that's what Apple introduced. Okay, they got rid of the plastic in their iPhones first, then they did it in their headphones. So this is a sealed brand new box here. So that's what Apple did, and now it's great to see everyone else copy that. Nice and easy, not too hard. Let's see if it slides out nice and easy. The paper is very thin, which is really nice to see, because most people, 90% of people, are going to just throw these away or they'll never see daylight again. So it's great to see. I would like them to even be more recycled. So recycled paper like this guy here, like the Sony's, a lot of others are following through with that. So that would be a nice addition. So with the new lineup, so they've got a new, Bose have just released a whole lot of headphones. That's why you can see a bit here. They've released their Quiet Comfort new one, the Ultras, these Ultras, over, I believe in September 2023. So they just released all of these. So what they've done is they've changed the unboxing and they've included this, which is cool to see. Like it opens up like a door, okay, like a window. Before they just had that, there was none of this. Okay, so don't worry about this. It was just, personally I would have liked that, because really, like I said, most people will just throw the box and not use it ever again. So this is different. Most of their new unboxing don't have this. They have this side, they have this, but they don't have how to use it. So that's basically it. Let me put this aside for a second. That's looking a bit damaged, but inside the box you've got the jelly thing and you've got a booklet. Okay, so the booklet is just basically Bose warranty paperwork. Sound out below what you think about these. Are these a bit outdated for nowadays? If they're starting to try and go green and all this stuff, wouldn't we be better off not having these? Because most people don't need the warranty stuff to read. Some people might read it online, but that'll save a lot of paper. Not have these, but they're nice. They look nice. So, but I would still like, for the sake of being eco-friendly, to not have them all together. Now these are the headphones. Okay, So what happened here? So this should be sliding here, slid in there, nice and easy. Let's see if we can open these without wrecking it, okay? All right, without opening from there, from the traditional way, from the correct way. So can we slide these out? I think we can. Ooh, bang. Alrighty, now this is the box. I love it. It's so soft. The leather is so luxurious. It's so soft. It's really, really, really nice to see this. It's so well made, and the cloth is beautiful here as well. The cloth is color matched to almost a precision, and you can only tell by the texture. Okay, if the texture wasn't there, you can't tell by the color that these two are different. So the Bose sign is nicely embossed here. It's very nice. I really like it, guys. I really, really like it. What I do not like is spending so much on a headphones and getting this nonsense. I don't like this. I like to see those thick zippers with thick metal parts in it and a big zipper here. I like to see that. But having said that, this is beautiful. It's very easy to zip open, zip it. No issues. Nothing is getting caught, which is great to see. Wow, this is very different. And let me know if you guys want me to compare this to the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, as in what it is like. And I've unboxed these and they're on the channel as well, so you guys can go ahead and look at it there. So let's see what this is. Their signature pocket, by the way. That's where they always have this Bose. Okay, this is something different to keep it, I guess, in place. Okay, not to pop out, but this is also great to see, because normally what Bose has little foam bits here to stop it from banging around. I like seeing this because it eliminates the need for these foams, and most people will just throw them out, but also at the same time it'll be saving your headphones from banging against each other and getting damaged. Now let's see what we get in here. So we get two cabling. We get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and we get a audio jack. So this is still very annoying to see for myself. So you got a 3.5 to 2.5 headphone jack, which is always what Bose does. In order to be eco-friendly, everyone else got 3.5 to 3.5. Let's just do 3.5 to 3.5, and in that way we're saving the planet, and we can just use those wires between each other. So, and for me as a reviewer, it's very annoying when I'm testing these headphones connected to my phones, because I do a lot of wired testing as well to really see, because on over wireless you lose a lot of the oomph from the music. So when you have it connected to the wired and you have lossless files playing, that's when you can really see what the headphones can do, and you can turn off the noise cancellation and transparency mode to really see what the headphones are capable of. And that's what's annoying when I'm comparing headphones. I'll need to actually take the wire out for this to go between them, but you might not have that issue. So this is great to see. It completely turns, okay, and it also bends as well. That's great to see. The headphones have the speakers have a slant in there, okay? They're slanted, they're on an angle, which is great. It complements your ears. Your ears are on an angle. They don't sit flat up against your head. So that's great. The leather is very, very comfortable. They have a bit of an indentation as well to the speaker here, if you guys can see that. So it's on an angle, but there's an indentation here. That's beautiful. Look at that gold color. Beautiful. All right, they've gotten rid of the buttons, okay, which is annoying to see, because I love buttons. I love the buttons on here. There's a lot of buttons on there. Not a big fan of touch sensitive, all this stuff, but this is different. Normally they have leather on both sides, but they're getting rid of the leather up here. This is very plasticky, and they've got leather down here. Okay, so it doesn't click out, it just slides out. Okay, that's more luxurious these days. I like it, not too bad. Looks similar to the Quiet Comfort, but different just enough. Okay, if you're looking at it. Alright guys, that's basically it. Thank you for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. I just like to let you guys know before you go that this channel completely survives on your support. Okay, it's unbiased. I don't ask Bose to send these out to me. I purchase them out of my own pocket, which puts a lot of financial stress on me because I have a normal job just like you guys. And I'm a normal person. I'm not a huge channel, and I just fund this channel through my job. Okay, and I've got a mortgage and I've got family and all this stuff as well. So I fund these, and the way you can support it just by subscribing, liking, watching more videos, super thanks, all these sort of things. They take a couple of seconds, all of them. The more videos you watch, the more I can generate revenue, and it'll support me to be able to do more kind of this stuff. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for watching it to the end. I really appreciate it. Take good care. Bye bye.